Hey Freya, what you doing? Okay, so I got my package from Korea. I had taken Hover up on her offer. Hover has a YouTube channel, and she kind of has this offer or deal or business, like her own little business that she's doing, where if you want to get stuff from Korea, like Etude House, Skinfood, Innisfree, whatever, she'll buy the stuff for you in Korea. Like you just tell her what you want, you pay her the money for the cost, and she'll estimate the shipping, and she'll just go around and buy the stuff for you. And here it is. Here's the stuff I ordered. Oh, this broke a little, but so this is what she sent me and what I ordered. Wow, this is probably a bunch of nail polishes. This is probably the petty stuff I ordered. So I'm so excited. A lot of the stuff opened in the box, I guess, because it was traveling around. So she got me an Innisfree Sunblock. Let's see if I can find everything in here. Oh, these are some samples from Skinfood, the gold caviar. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to this is my first time opening it. Another bunch of nail polishes. I got the pedicure, a lot of pedicure ones because they looked so pretty from Skinfood. Oh, this one opened too. I think this is a sample box of cotton. Oh, here it is. I got this bath. It says the bath soda fizzer. This is green tea, and I also ordered the black sugar one. I was interested in that. I like to take baths. I take one almost every single night. Nail polishes, samples, masks. Oh, here it is. Here's the Innisfree Sunblock SPF 50+, PA+++. I need PA+++. With organic sunflower oil and green tea. So hopefully, yay. That's for my face. I'm gonna just use that on my face. Skinfood grapefruit nail polish remover. Skinfood pomegranate scalp care tonic, hair tonic. Yeah, because I want my hair to be thicker and more luxurious and to grow longer, and maybe this will work. Here's a bunch of samples and masks. So yeah, she included a lot of samples, Skinfood samples. These, of course, I didn't order, right? These are they just come free. Ooh, lip tints. Cool. I really wanted to try some lip tints. This is a face scrubber thing, and I wanted this to so I can clean my face properly. Look, a sample's inside here. Wow, the box got really, I don't know. Sheet masks. Ooh, a face shop sheet mask. I didn't expect that. That was a surprise. Some more Etude House silk scarf hair treatment sample. I was really curious about this. Look, so many nice things. Pink powder spot patch. I wanted this one because just because sometimes, not often, but sometimes I get a big breakout, and just for that, just to help. The Good Afternoon, oh, this is a BB cream, Good Afternoon Honey Black Tea. I think this is yeah, it's a BB sample. Awesome. Yeah, and I actually ordered, there's like a powder or something all over this stuff. Okay. So I think, yeah, so I actually ordered, I asked her to, I bought these masks, Skinfood sheet masks. I like sheet masks, and I wanted to try them. I just think they're fun, Wow. So these are a bunch of Skinfood samples. I'll open these. I'll have to open these and show you what I have one by one. Oh, this is, the Collagen Moistfull Essence in Primer. I just think it's so cool. This is a primer that you spray on your face. And I thought, wow, that sounds like I would use it. Because usually, I don't use a primer. I've never used a primer before in my life. And it just sounds like, well, before your foundation, another thing to put on, right? But this sounds like it would be easy and that I would actually use it because it's, you just spray it on. So I thought, you know, that's convenient. Shake it and put it on. Awesome. Okay, so this one I also got. This is the Wonderpore Freshener. And I got this because look here, it does so many things. I don't know if you can read this. Oh my gosh, my camera is really bad. One day I'll buy a new one when I can afford one. So in the meantime, I'm spending all my money on cosmetics and stuff, like garden things. Okay, so it does 7 things in one. It's a toner, right? But it has 7 functions. It maintains the pH level of your skin. It refines skin tone. It keeps the elasticity of pores. It deep cleanses pores and minimizes appearance of pores. It's used to control a large amount of the sebum, and it moisturizes inside and outside of the skin. So I was excited to try that and asked her to get. And oh my gosh, this is the thing that I really wanted, really very much, is the Nymph Aura Volumizer, and it should be number 1, yay! And because I have super dry skin, you will never ever see me with glowing skin. Never in my life have I ever had glowing skin, and that's because my skin is super dry. And you know, I even put like argan oil on my face and stuff because my skin is so dry and I need it. I can't take it sometimes. It's so flaky, and even putting oil on my face isn't enough sometimes to help. So this way I can hopefully get a radiant look, which I really like, and I'm always envious of people who have, you know, radiant, glowing, dewy looking skin. That's what it is, dewy. Like, yeah. Without this, I don't think I would ever be able to get dewy looking skin. What else do I have? I ordered the Miss Tangerine Follow Me Tint from Etude House. The Collagen Moistfull, this is another toner. From the Collagen series. Here is a Peri Pera Wonder Kiss gloss. She got me this for free. I didn't order that. Another sample, the Real Art Cleansing Oil. Actually, I wanted to try this, so thank you. The Collagen Moistfull BB Cream, which is cool. Another sample, the Royal Honey Eye Cream. Cool. One of the other, this is just like a white nail polish that I ordered, the Nail Vita from the Nail Vita series, because I just wanted a white nail polish. So I just put the samples I got. I'll put all the samples here. And there's one stuck in here, but whatever. See, these are all just samples. That's cool. I'm excited to try those. Okay, now I have to open. Oh, these I really wanted, the Mild Silky Cotton. It's because on YouTube I heard, I forgot who it was, one of the people who really gave good reviews on this. But then Etude House now has a newer cotton, which is really thin, which I think Hover actually reviews. Now I don't know what to say. I don't know what to do. The Mod Green. The green one and the purple one, and I heard so many good reviews, especially about the green one, but I really wanted them, like, and I really wanted the purple one. I don't have a purple like this, so I'm so into purple nail polishes. So she also included the from Skinfood, the Salmon Dark Circles Concealer Cream, and I've heard really good things about this. There's really creamy and stuff, and I really have dark circles, so I think this will be, I really wanted that one too. Well, of course I really wanted all of these stuff, that's why I went to the trouble of ordering. Okay, so here are some of the, so I ordered another of the Mod Blue, the Mod Purple, and the Mod Green from Peri Pera. This is from their fall line, as well as my perfume nails, the purple and the green. So the purple is P044, the green is oops, I cannot see, P045. There's a little cat on it. Really pretty. Oh, and then I really wanted these sparkly ones. Of course, the purple one will go with this one. And a gold one. And P040, P043. The Pere bottles are just the most beautiful nail bottles I've ever seen in my life. And then another pedicure nail. And this is an Etude House nail polish. This is it's a lavender color, but it's a matte nail polish. What is it? Number 11. And this is from Skinfood as well. And it is number 2. It's the red one from Buell Satang Nail, number 2. The red one. It's gonna be my first red nail polish. I usually don't wear red nail polishes. Like, I'm wearing pink right now. Yeah. Okay, so for the pedicure nails, I got 4 of them. I got 4 of them from the My Pedicure line. And I got them because they're like super sparkly, and I thought they would be really pretty. This one is, what color is it? Number 10? I think it's number 10. It's a gold color. This is a purple color. And this is number, I cannot see. But in the pedicure line, there aren't that many colors. So I think there's only one purple one. It's 6, I think. I think I see 6. It's hard to see the back. This is number 9. It's the pink one. And this is the white one, which is number 11. Cool. So look at all the stuff that I got. Dun, dun, dun. Etude House and Skinfood and Pere stuff. And I have so much stuff to review. It's amazing. So I guess in the future I'll be talking about all these things. I can't believe I am so crazy, aren't I? But yeah, I'm obsessed with skincare and makeup and stuff. So I can't help myself. What do I have in here? I have the Gold Caviar Nutrition Mask. That's a free one. Wow. The Skinfood Raspberry Facial Water Vita Cream. I don't know. Some kiwi sun cream samples. In here, there's a whole bunch of cream samples from the Gold Caviar line. And also the pomegranate shampoo, which, ooh, and the seafood waterproof point makeup remover tissues. That's cool. There's one tissue in there. Okay, this is BB cream. Yay! I'm always happy to get BB cream samples, especially, and cream samples and BB cream. So every sample, forget it, everything. So I'll be using these very soon. Yay! Hair treatment, so good. Probably I'll take these, like, samples are so good because when you travel you use them and stuff. I always save my samples for when I travel, and I do travel a lot too. So good. My husband thinks I'm crazy. I'm just joking. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.